Hey there, welcome to MacroMicro. Today we're delving into MacroMicro's essential charts for 2024. These charts will determine whether the bull market can continue in 2024. Let's kick things off with inflation. The key factor influencing inflation in 2024 is oil prices, primarily driven by uncertainties on the supply side. We estimate that the average annual oil price needs to stay below $90 this year for energy's contribution to inflation to remain below 1.5 percentage points, allowing inflation to progress toward the Fed's target. Now let's turn our attention to the Fed's actions. The decline in inflation during 2024 is significant as liquidity buffers dwindle. According to a report from the New York Fed, if bank reserves fall below 10 to 12% of commercial bank assets, roughly a $3 trillion threshold, liquidity risks may arise. To prevent a crisis, the Fed might need to consider rate cuts or slowing down the quantitative tightening speed this year. Looking ahead, we get a direct glimpse into next year's Federal Reserve rate expectations. As long as inflation decreases, the Fed is expected to start cutting rates in the first half of the year. Market expectations lean towards a first rate cut in March 2024, with a total reduction of around 150 basis points. Lastly, let's turn to the job market and economic recession concerns. While concerns arise about a cooling U.S. economy, as long as the monthly increase in non-farm employment remains consistently stable, ranging between 100,000 to 200,000, we won't have to worry about a recession. At this moderate growth rate, significant wage inflation is unlikely. Finally, let's direct our attention to MacroMicro's Global Economic Recession Probability. This index is our compass for navigating the economic landscape. As long as this metric stays below the 50% threshold and exhibits a consistent downward trend, the likelihood of a significant stock market crash diminishes. In our baseline scenario for 2024, we anticipate several positive developments: the conclusion of the rate hike cycle, a revival in the manufacturing cycle, and minimal recession risks, all contributing to a favorable environment for the sustained continuation of the bull market, at least until the first half of the year. That wraps up 5 charts from our 2024 chart selection. For the other 5 and the complete article, head over to our website. Stay informed, invest wisely, and we'll see you next time.